Because of the current crisis, many of us are now learning in a different way. Most of us have resorted to online platforms, and even for PTE, it's the trend now. But it's quite important that you make the right selection of the platform, otherwise you'll just be wasting your time or will be confusing yourself. There are many online preparation courses coming out right now, most of which are short-term panic responses to the crisis and have only makeshift arrangement. Unlike these platforms, we designed our platform 4 years ago and have been refining and upgrading it since then. We have already trained more than 17,000 students from over 50 countries in the last 4 years. Our platform is a comprehensive platform. It consists of everything you need to excel in your test. You can study, you can practice, you can test yourself, and on top of that, now you can also watch classes live. Yes, we'll be live broadcasting all our classes from the next week, and you'll be able to watch them from home. In addition to that, it's really important that you get a chance to sit down with tutors and engage in discussions. That's why you'll also be able to book one-to-one consultations with your tutors you prefer, and spend time on your problems. Ask your tutors questions about your problems and get suggestions and solve the problems and excel in your test. All of these things you can try out before you enroll in any of our courses. Yes, you can enroll in our course for free and get a sense of how we are doing things before you enroll in any of our paid courses. So, if you need any help about our online classes, or if you want to know how we are doing this, please head on to our website and check all the features of our website. Or if you need any human help, give us a call in the number given on the screen and we'll be more than happy to help you. Stay safe, and we hope to see you soon.